It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious, baby. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious, baby. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious, baby. Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to make grilled creamy corn on your stovetop. Now here I'm just peeling my corn. I'm trying to get the strings off my corn. You don't want to cook it with those strings. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my corn. You can cut it whatever size you want to, but I'm going to be cutting mine in half. Here I go, cut in half. Like, cooking is just simple and easy, and I'm here to make it simple for you. Okay, ladies, you can do it. It's simple and easy. Here I cut in half. If you want, you can cut it in three. Here I'm cutting this one in three. So then I'm going to put a pot with water and bring it to boil. You're going to put salt in the water if you want to. It's optional. You don't have to. So I'm just gonna go put these in a bowl. These in a bowl. Take it to the pot. So here's my corn. Now I'm going to put it here. I'm just putting a little salt in the water. Then I'm going to add my corn. I'm going to cover it and let it boil for like 20 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it off. Okay, now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of chicken bouillon to my water. Then I'm gonna cover it and let it come to a boil. Here is my corn. I boiled it for like 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to turn it off. Then I'm going to take them out the water and show you how I put it together to give you a nice grilled corn on the stove top. Okay guys, so now I sprayed my corn with the palm spray, or basically you can just grease it with whatever grease you have, oil. And this is my cast iron. I put it on high heat and I'm roasting my corn on the stove top. However, there's a next way to roast your corn on the stove top. All you do, get a foil paper like this, put your corn in it like this, then you're gonna wrap your corn it should look something like this. Then you're just gonna put your corn on low heat like that, and your corn is gonna roast the same way. So you can also roast your corn like this, you know, and it's gonna come out perfectly. If you have a roasting rock like this one, go ahead and use it. If you don't, you can just put them on the stove like that, but it's just one corn, so I'm just giving you an example. So I never wanted to use it, but if you have a roasting rock like this, just go ahead and use it. But you can just put it on the stove top just like that, simple and easy. So I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. Now this is what your corn looks like. Oh my god, it's burning me, guys. I gotta hold it with something. And this is what it looks like when you roast it. So now you can just go ahead and put your butter on it. Just drizzle your butter on it. You drizzle your butter on it like this. I just put my butter on it. Well, actually, and then I'm gonna wrap it again. I'm gonna wrap it again, then you place it back on the stove top for the next 5 minutes, and you serve it like that in the foil. You just serve it like that. There you go. Now I'm gonna come back and show you what I do with the other version of my roasted corn. This one I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my corn from the pot and put it in a separate bowl. Put it in a bowl like that. So just like that. Now I'm gonna make my sauce for it. Okay guys, so here I have some garlic and butter that I sauteed. I put out every cream. Now I'm just stirring and combining everything together. Now I'm gonna go in with some sugar, just like a teaspoon of sugar, and some of my everyday seasoning. I call it tea spice. My everyday seasoning is something I combine together. I mean, whatever you cook and put it on it, it's perfect. Now I'm just gonna let this come to a boil for like 2 minutes until it looks like it's coating the whisk. Like you can see it sticking to it. I think I can go ahead and turn it off now. See, I think that's perfect. I hope you guys can see it come to a boil. So here I have garlic, butter, every cream, and a little of my everyday seasoning with sugar. Now I'm going to turn it off. Now I'm just going to pour this sauce all over my corn. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Oh my God, this is going to be so delicious. It's going to be so creamy and nice. I'm just going to stir this around. Here you have your creamy roast corn. For garnish, you can go ahead and put some parsley, like that. Or if you want, you can put paprika. That's a great garnish for corn also. I can go ahead and put the paprika on it. I'll show you that it's a great garnish. So I'm trying to find the paprika. So here I have the paprika. You can just go ahead and put a little bit of paprika on it like that, and it's perfectly fine. Gotta make your food pretty, guys. I eat with my eyes. Now, look at that. Look at that. Let me try and give you a 360. Look at that. Promise you, you're gonna love this. And if you want your corn to be really sweet, at this point you can sprinkle sugar on it. But this is perfect for me. I promise you, you're gonna love this. And that's it. Look at this. Okay guys, here's my end product. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.